In a world brimming with culinary possibilities, discovering unique, healthy recipes is a delightful adventure. These recipes not only satiate your hunger, but also nourish your body, setting the stage for a vibrant and energetic lifestyle. Imagine indulging in a colorful quinoa salad adorned with roasted vegetables, where each bite offers a symphony of flavors, bringing together earthiness and zest. Explore the vibrancy of a plant-based Buddha bowl, filled with a kaleidoscope of ingredients. Picture a base of seasoned brown rice, layered with crisp greens, crunchy chickpeas, and avocado slices, drizzled with a creamy tahini dressing. This bowl transforms everyday ingredients into a wholesome masterpiece, inviting you to relish both texture and taste in every mouthful. Next, venture into the hearty world of lentil burgers. Visualize grounding, earthy lentils blended with aromatic spices, crumbly oats, and sautéed onions, crafted into patties that offer both protein and flavor. Grilling these patties creates a satisfying crunch on the outside while maintaining a tender interior, transforming mealtime into an experience of joy and discovery. Don't overlook the charm of unique breakfast options either. Consider a delightful sweet potato and spinach frittata, bursting with color and nutrients. Picture fragrant rosemary mingling with sautéed onions and vibrant green spinach, blanketing velvety sweet potato slices. Served warm, it's a hearty start to the day that energizes with a balance of protein and complex carbs. For dessert, a tangy chia seed pudding can brighten your day. Envision a pudding made from creamy coconut milk, infused with vanilla, topped with fresh berries, and a sprinkle of crunchy nuts. Each spoonful presents a burst of flavors, where creamy contrasts with crunchy, and the tanginess of the berries dances with the richness of coconut. These unique, healthy recipes invite you to transcend the ordinary, encouraging you to experiment with fresh ingredients and bold flavors. They remind you that maintaining a healthy diet doesn't have to be mundane. Instead, it can be a joyous celebration of creativity and taste in your kitchen. Embrace the art of cooking, allowing these vibrant dishes to nourish both body and soul.